Hello friends, in this video we were discussing about 24 questions in chain surveying which will be useful for all civil engineering competitive exams. Let's start with our first question. What is the work carried out to fix national and state boundaries? Contouring, leveling, topographic mapping, survey. Answer is option D, survey. What is the length of one link in metric chain? 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter or 25 centimeter. Answer is option C, 20 centimeter. Third question. What is the name of the setting out work on the ground? What is the name of setting out work on the ground? Location survey, preliminary survey, topographic survey or engineering survey? Answer is option A, location survey. What is the principle of survey? Traverse, triangulation, work from whole to part, work from part to whole. Answer is option C, work from whole to part. Fifth question. What is the method referred in chain survey? Intersection method, trilateration method, triangular method or polar coordinate method? Answer is option D, polar coordinate method. Sixth question. What is the length of metric chain? 5 meter and 20 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter, 15 meter and 20 meter, 20 meter and 30 meter. 20 meter and 30 meter is the answer for this question. What is the chain of 100 feet long generally used for taking offsets in chain surveying? What is the chain of 100 feet long generally used for taking offsets in chain surveying? Gardener's chain, revenue chain, metric chain or engineer's chain? Answer is option D, engineer's chain. Next question. What is the name of the equipment given in figure? Is it a steel rod, wooden peg, offset rod or ranging rod? Option C, offset rod is correct instrument given in the figure. Next question. What is the surface that is normal to the direction of gravity at all points? Leveling, horizontal surface, horizontal line or level surface. Option D, level surface is the surface that is normal to the direction of gravity at all points. 10th question. What is the line that lies on a level surface and is normal to plumb line at all points? The line that lies on a level surface and is normal to plumb line at all points. Level line, vertical line, datum line or horizontal line. Answer is option A, level line. What is the limit of error in 20 meter chain as per IS? What is the limit of error in 20 meter chain as per IS? Plus or minus 3 mm, plus or minus 5 mm, plus or minus 6 mm, plus or minus 8 mm. Option B, plus or minus 5 mm is given for the limit of error in 20 meter chain. 12th question. What is the term for error that occur due to faulty adjustments of devices such as chain may be too long or too short? Natural error, personal error, artificial error or instrumental error? Option D, instrumental error is the correct answer. What is the limit of error for 30 meter chain as per IS? What is the limit of error for 30 meter chain as per IS? Plus or minus 2 mm, plus or minus 4 mm, plus or minus 6 mm or plus or minus 8 mm. Here the answer is option D, plus or minus 8 mm. 14th question. Which type of tape is commonly used for measuring offsets? Which type of tape is commonly used for measuring offsets? Linen tape, steel tape, invar tape or metallic tape? Option D, metallic tapes were used for measuring offsets. 15th question. What is the error that arises due to variation of temperature? natural error, personal error, instrumental error or artificial error. Option A, natural error, is the error that arises due to variation of temperature. 16th question. What is the length of metallic tape available in feet? Note that available in feet. 15 feet and 30 feet, 30 feet and 45 feet, 45 feet and 60 feet, 50 feet and 100 feet. Answer is option D, 50 feet and 100 feet. 17th question. What is the lateral surface distance measured from the chain to object? What is the lateral surface distance measured from the chain to object? Is it offset, long offset, short offset or oblique offset? Answer is option A, simply offset. 18th question. What is the term that the distance measured at right angle to the chain line from the object? Short offset, long offset, oblique offset or perpendicular offset? Since it is measured at right angle to the chain line, that offset is known as perpendicular offset. 19th question. What is the offset that is measured other than right angle to the chain line from the object? Other than right angle. Short offset, long offset, oblique offset or perpendicular offset. Here the answer is option C, oblique offset. 20th question. What is the term that is normal to plumb line at all point? What is the term that is normal to plumb line at all point? Is it level surface, datum surface, horizontal surface or vertical surface? Answer is option B, datum surface. 21st question. What is the mark established between GTS benchmarks by various government departments, PWD and other engineering agencies? Chain point, arbitrary benchmark, permanent benchmark or temporary benchmark? Option C, permanent benchmarks are the marks established between GTS benchmarks by various government departments, PWD and other engineering agencies. 22nd question. What is the benchmark established for short duration and the work should be resumed from these benchmarks? GTS benchmark, arbitrary benchmark, permanent benchmark or temporary benchmark? Option D, temporary benchmarks are the benchmarks established for short duration. 23rd question. How the chain is adjusted if the chain is found to increase in length than the standard length? By removing some of the rings, by straightening the bend of links, by adjusting the links at the handle and by inserting the new rings as required. Option A itself is the correct answer. By removing some of the rings, the chain is adjusted if the chain is found to increase in length than the standard length. 24th and last question. What is the length of metallic tape available in meter? 5 meter to 10 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter, 15 meter and 20 meter or 15 meter and 30 meter? Answer is option D, 15 meter and 30 meter. Thanks for watching this video.